Hello guys, and welcome to this first R programming tutorial. In this video, I'm going to see how to install R and RStudio on Windows. So as you can see here, we have two links, and these links are available in the description. First, we are going to download and install R, then we are going to download and install RStudio. So we're going to copy first link and paste it in here. As you can see here, we have download and install R for Linux, for Mac, and for Windows. In our case, we click on the third link. Same thing in here, we click on install R for the first time. And we download the latest version, which has 76 megabytes. So we click on that. Once the execution file is downloaded, we click on it. We select the default language, which is English. We click on next. Same thing, next, next. No, accept defaults, next, 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 and it will be installed. Okay, so once the installation is complete, we click on finish. Then we are going to download RStudio. So we copy this link, we paste it in here, and we will have the following page. So we have two steps. The first step is to install R. We have already done that with the latest version. Then we are going to download RStudio Desktop for Windows. So we click on this link. So once the execution file is downloaded, we click on it. Next, next, install. Once the installation is complete, we click on finish. So you look for RStudio in your computer and you will get the following window. Here we can clear the console. And like that, we have our RStudio, which is ready for coding. So that's it for this first tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.